Welcome to the best pick. The best barn door handle is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial elements in transforming your living space, offering not just functional access but also a significant style statement that can elevate the entire aesthetic of a room, blending rustic charm with modern sophistication in a single, elegant piece of hardware. Number 5. SMARTSTANDARD 12-inch heavy-duty barn door handle set. Introducing the SMARTSTANDARD 12-inch heavy-duty barn door handle set. This premium hardware offers a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern functionality for your sliding doors. Crafted from solid stainless steel, this set ensures lasting durability and a sleek, round design. Its two-sided construction provides a consistent look and feel from any angle. Designed for versatility, it fits door panels from 3/4 foot to 1/3/4 thick, and can be adapted for thicker doors with longer screws. It's suitable for wood, glass, and aluminum doors, both indoors and out. Each package includes 2 finger pulls, 2 pull handles, screws, pads, and an L-wrench for easy installation. Please note, the door itself is not included with this hardware set. The finger pull measures 8.58 inches long, while the main pull handle is a comfortable 12 inches in length with a 1-inch diameter. These dimensions ensure a secure and ergonomic grip every time. What we like? This set stands out for its robust solid stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Its rustic two-sided design offers a classic aesthetic that complements various decors. If you are looking for a heavy-duty, versatile handle that can be used on wood, glass, or aluminum doors, both interior and exterior, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. EaseLife 12 stainless steel sliding barn door handles. Crafted from solid stainless steel with a fine black powder-coated surface, this hardware set ensures lasting beauty. It's designed to resist rust and corrosion, promising years of reliable performance. Every piece undergoes rigorous inspection before reaching you. Experience comfort with its smooth, polished chamfered edges. Its ergonomic design prevents unexpected injuries, providing a secure and pleasant grip every time you use it. This thoughtful construction enhances both safety and user experience. Installing this handle set is incredibly simple. It's designed to fit door thicknesses from 1 inch to 1 to 3/4 inches, making it versatile for various doors. All the necessary parts and tools are conveniently included in the package, so you can set it up quickly. Your package includes everything you need for a complete installation. You'll find a 12-inch pull bar, an 8 to 5/8-inch finger pull, 2 square pads, an L-wrench, and all required screws. This comprehensive kit ensures you have all components at hand. EaseLife specializes in sliding door hardware, offering years of expertise. Should anything be missing or broken, simply let them know. Their team is online all day, ready to assist you and resolve any issues promptly. What we like? This handle set boasts superior quality with a fine black powder-coated surface, providing excellent anti-rust and anti-corrosion properties. The smooth, polished chamfered edges ensure a comfortable and safe grip, preventing unexpected injuries. If you prioritize long-term beauty and durability with a focus on user comfort and safety, this option is perfectly suited for you. What people say. The brushed nickel finish offers a sleek and modern appearance, enhancing the door's aesthetic. This barn door handle provides a solid and comfortable grip, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Number 3. EaseLife 12 stainless steel sliding barn door handles. Crafted from solid stainless steel with a brushed finish, this set promises lasting beauty and durability. Each component undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure top-notch quality before reaching you. Its smooth, polished chamfered edges are designed for safety, preventing unexpected injuries. This ergonomic design also provides a more comfortable and secure grip. Installing it is a breeze, fitting door thicknesses from 1 to 3/4 inches. All the necessary parts and tools are included, making the process simple and quick. Your package contains a 12-inch pull bar, an 8 to 5/8-inch finger pull, 2 round pads, an L-wrench, and all required screws. Everything you need is right there. EaseLife specializes in sliding door hardware, bringing years of expertise. Should anything be missing or broken, their team is online 24/7 to assist you. What we like? This particular model features a sleek brushed surface, offering a modern and elegant aesthetic that will maintain its beauty for years. It's ergonomically designed, smooth polished edges provide a comfortable and safe user experience. If you appreciate a clean, contemporary look and value, straightforward installation with all necessary tools included. This is a fantastic pick. What people say. Number 2. EaseLife 12 Stainless Steel Barn Door Handle Set. Crafted from solid stainless steel with a fine black powder-coated surface, this handle set ensures lasting beauty. It's designed to be anti-rust and anti-corrosion, guaranteeing years of reliable performance. Experience comfort with its smooth, polished chamfered edges. This ergonomic design prevents unexpected injuries and provides a more comfortable grip every time you use it. Installing this handle set is incredibly easy. It fits door thicknesses from 1 foot to 1 to 3/4, and all the necessary parts and tools are included for your convenience. Each package provides a complete solution for your barn door. You'll receive 2 12-inch pull bars, 2 8 to 5 8-inch finger pulls, square pads, an L-wrench, and all required screws. EaseLife specializes in sliding door hardware and stands by its products. If anything is missed or broken, their team is online 24 hours to help solve any problem you might encounter. What we like. What makes this set unique is that it comes as a convenient 2-pack, perfect for multiple doors or a consistent look throughout your space. It features a fine black powder-coated surface for superior anti-rust and anti-corrosion protection, ensuring longevity. If you need to equip more than one door and desire a cohesive, durable, and modern square pad aesthetic, this 2-pack offers great value. What people say. Number 1. Goldenwarm 12 inches Sliding Barn Door Handle Set. This is the Goldenwarm 12-inch sliding barn door handle and flush pull set. It's designed to enhance your barn doors with both style and functionality. It features 7-inch hole centers, with a 12-inch round tube length and a 1-inch diameter. The square back measures 8 to 3/4 inches, ensuring a substantial feel. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it boasts a brushed satin surface. This material ensures it is sturdy, beautiful, and built to last. Its oval shape and polished edges provide a safe and exquisite finger pull. This thoughtful design makes it comfortable and secure to use. Despite its high quality, this set is offered at an extremely reasonable price. It provides excellent value, making it a very affordable choice for your home. Standard M8x 55mm hex socket screws are included for installation. These fit door thicknesses from 35mm to 50mm, and instructions are available to guide you. What we like. This handle set is crafted from high-grade stainless steel 304, ensuring exceptional strength and resistance to wear. It features a unique oval-shaped finger pull with polished edges, providing both safety and an exquisite touch. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable handle at an extremely reasonable price point without compromising on material, this is an excellent budget-friendly yet premium choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.